This is Ian from Lean Media. Here's how to set up a sale price on an FBM ASIN. Go to the Manage All Inventory page on Amazon Seller Central, and this is the item we're going to be setting up the sale price on. You can see it's $29.99. I'm going to set up a sale price by going to the three dots icon, clicking on that, and then selecting Edit Listing. And then if this is a listing that you control, you should see something like this. So what I want is, here's the current price. I'm not going to change that. I'm going to change the sale price. So the sale price, I'm going to make $24.99. Sale start date. So I'm going to start that today. Now you can see this error shows up. It's just because, like a lot of Amazon tech, this wasn't really designed very well, and it's showing computer code. Try to get through this, and basically I'm going to set the sale end date to I'm going to do it for the 19th. And the reason I'm doing it for the 19th, I'm not going all the way up to Christmas, is because I'm concerned that if I have it going right up through Christmas, people are going to order it and they're going to expect to get it, in time for Christmas, and that's just not going to happen. The other thing to note about the sale price that I just set up is it includes the cost of shipping, because I have a free shipping template set up. So I'm done with that. And let's go to, there should be a save button somewhere. Yeah, save and finish. And good. Thanks for submitting your changes. If approved, changes will be reflected within 24 hours. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me. I'll see you next time.